Welcome to Delft Stack. In this tutorial, we will demonstrate how to use sudo command to install tar.gz in Linux. Whether you are a beginner or an intermediate user, you will learn how to extract, compile, and install software from the suffix. Let's get started. In this video, I will show you how to install Ruby purpose. First, go fit the file you want to install. Once you have found it, open your time in that location. Copy the file name. We will need it short. Now tag the following comment to extract the contents of the file. Once that's done, your file has been successfully unzipped. Let's make a preview patch first inside. We will be using the configure file. The bit is started. Run the following comment to keep it the files for installation. Finally, run the following comment to begin the installation. You have learned how to use sudo command to install tar.gz on Linux. For more tutorials, check out our other videos. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content from Delft Stack.